Was that fun, Liam? Was that fun? Mommy's tired.
It's tiring.
Mommy's tired.
My name is Liam. Hi.
That was a good smile, buddy. Yes, it was a good smile. You're a good looking kid, yeah. Yeah. What's he looking at? You looking at Daddy? You gonna laugh at Daddy, you silly boy? You silly boy. What? What's so funny? Yeah, what's so funny? That's pretty funny. What? What are you giggling about? Do you want Mommy to do Superman for you again? Is that what Mommy should do? What? You're such a silly boy. You're such a silly boy. You're so happy, huh? Yeah. You're so funny. Yeah. What a cutie. What a cutie. Nice spit bubbles and everything. Yeah. Yeah. Nice drool. We'll save this one for your girlfriend. Look at that. Close up of the drool. Nice. Yep, we'll save that too. She'll enjoy that. Yeah. I love